Hey guys, we are at our Medina location right now on the lot, and behind me we have the 2024 Rockwood 2518S. This is the perfect travel trailer for a couple wanting to get away and have a weekend to yourself. So enough of the jibber jabber, let's go inside.
That cold is no joke. Gotta love Ohio, right?
So now that we're inside, let's take a look at the living area. So you have your two recliners here. Again, this is perfect, like I said, for a couple. So you don't need too much seating area. So two recliners is really all you need. You can have your space. Your significant other can have their space as well. So it's perfect. You have some wireless charging right here in the middle. So if you don't feel like going up and getting your charger, just slap your phone right here and it'll charge. And we also have here some extra storage. I recommend keeping your remotes in here because if you're anything like me, I lose my remotes all the time, whether it's in the crevices or under the recliners or TVs or whatever. Or TV, if you put it here, it won't move unless it grows legs. So, and that won't happen, right? I hope not. Now we have the kitchen area, everyone's favorite area, cooking all the yummy meals. And actually, if you're seeing this, comment down below what your favorite meal is. Mine's breakfast, so. This kitchen is pretty basic. It has everything you need, so there's not too much, nothing to complain about. You have your microwave, you have your 3-stove cooktop, and you also have your oven, so get a nice batch of cookies going. Delicious. You also have a ton of storage space above, so for your cups, plates, mugs, cocktail glasses, there's really a spot for everything, so that's super nice. And then over here you also have your fridge. And another thing to mention is the amount of countertop space you have. So you have all that prep space in the corner by the TV. So if you're not watching TV, you can go ahead and prep here. Or if you are watching TV, you literally have the best seat in the house. Chopping up your veggies, watching the game. Come on. It's great. You also have extra counter space here as well. You just lift it up and it's an extra prep space for you. So again, with all the counter space, you have even more. Now to the bedroom, my favorite part in the house because I love sleeping. Let's just put these pillows up nice because we make our bed every morning, right? That's what I thought. When you go to sleep, bring the blind down, and when you're ready to wake up, as long as you're parked by a really nice view, you have a nice view right when you wake up in your bed. So cool. You have 4 compartments above your head and you have 1 compartment on each side. So you have your own space. So hubby, stay out of my area. You know? Keep on your side of the bed. You have charging ports as well. So whether it's a phone, laptop, Kindle, whatever you have, you can charge it right by your bed. So that's also an awesome thing. And did you believe me when I said that was all the wardrobe space you get? Oh, you're so gullible. You also have more wardrobe space here as well. So you have 3 different closets, and inside you also have an area where you bring hangers. You can go ahead. Oh, I thought this was connected. It's my first time seeing this one too. Isn't it so cool? This is cool because it's kind of like a dresser now. So you have your closet where you can hang up, and you have right here with the 3 different shelves where you can fold up your clothes. That is so cool. Oh, and you have a fun little secret drawer right here too. I'm telling you. The amount of wardrobe space, the amount of just organization space you have in this Rockwood 2518S is unmatched. Unmatched. Now last, but certainly not least, you have the bathroom. What some might say is the most essential thing to have in your camper. A bathroom. You really can't live without it. It's hard to live with it though, honestly too, sometimes. If you know what I mean. You have so much counter space. It goes pretty deep, so you have a spot for the soap, a spot for your skincare, makeup, razors, whatever you really need to put in your counter space, you have. And then above, you also have the medicine cabinet, so if you open that up, more space as well for not only medicine, even though it's called a medicine cabinet, it's not just for medicine. You can put anything in there. And also to the left, you also have more storage, again, for towels, washcloths, loofahs, extra showering products, whatever you have, anything that's spilling over. Go ahead and put in there, and it makes it look a lot less cluttered. And then lastly, you have your shower. It's a stand-up shower, so it's super tall. I'm about 5'5". The doctor will say 5'4", but it's 5'4.5". We round up out here. but it's super nice. You have the removable shower head, which is super convenient, especially if you have an animal. Super nice helping them get clean. And then you have divots in the shower for your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, shower gel, whatever you use in the shower. No one's judging. Since it's cold outside, I'm outroing it right here inside because it's a little more warm. Again, this is the Rockwood 2518S. It is at Avalon RV Center in Medina, Ohio. You can look up our address at 1604 Medina Road. We're right on Route 18. You can't miss us. So if you're driving by, just pull in, check it out, say hi. Who knows? You might find your dream camper.